Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you on how to pair Turtle Beach headset to Nintendo Switch. Now there are three ways. First is the wired connection. You can use a 3.5mm cable and then plug the headset's jack into the Switch console's headphone port or in onto the top of the device, and the audio will automatically route to the headset. Two is the wireless connection via Bluetooth models. You can go to the system settings and Bluetooth audio. You can pair the device, put your Turtle Beach headset into the pairing mode, and usually by holding the power button until the LED flashes rapidly, and then you can select the headset onto the Switch and wait for it to pair, and the audio will play through the headset, mic not supported via Bluetooth on Switch. Third is also the USB wireless models, which is onto the Cell 600 and 700 Generation 2 USB. You can dock the Switch by plugging the USB transmitter into the Switch dock's USB port and power on the headset. It should auto connect to the transmitter, which auto plays wirelessly. Mic may not work unless using supported games like the Fortnite. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.